Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so how are you guys doing and how is your day today? Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you an amazing remedy that will actually help you to remove all of those darkness on your elbow and your knee and equally your knuckles. Okay, now let me tell you one thing. Some of the main causes of this dark elbow and knee is as a result of some bleaching cream which are actually too harsh for your skin. Well, some are natural, which is the knuckles, because I know there are some people who have dark knuckles naturally. Okay, but it is actually not as rampant as the ones that are being caused by bleaching cream. So if you can actually just look for a very good lotion that would make your skin flawless, beautiful, that would be excellent. Okay, so that when you actually apply this treatment, is going to work out for you and remove all of those darkness, and your skin is going to get flawless. So let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe, and let's go. So for that knee darkening remedy, guys, okay, for you to say bye-bye to the dark knee, dark knuckles and dark elbow, you're going to be needing this, and this is baking soda. Now baking soda helps so much to scrub out dead skin cells from the skin. It helps to keep your skin smooth, and it also helps in removing pigmentations. Okay, so we're going to be needing some of this. Now you can take as much as you feel is going to be enough to scrub out your knee. Okay, so the very next ingredient, which is very important, is this, and this is sugar. Okay, now this is actually white sugar, but you can use brown sugar for this, which is very helpful. Now because sugar has smaller granite particles, it will help so much to scrub out the dead skin cells from your skin, revealing a brighter and a more newer skin, and removing pigment and dark spots and what, yeah, literally. So you're going to be putting enough of the sugar in this, and then we're going to be stirring and mixing it up together. So after which you're going to be needing rice powder. How you're going to get rice is that you're going to be getting some of your rice in your kitchen, and then you blend it with a very strong blender, and then you would use that to look beautiful. So then you'll have rice powder, because I know when you go get it to the market, you're literally not going to be getting it. Rice powder is not in the market. Okay, so you're going to be needing about 1 tablespoon of this rice powder, and then we stir up the ingredients really good. So to make this work really fast and very effective, you're going to also be needing coffee. Okay, so I have this finger coffee. This is to show you that you can actually use whichever coffee you have. Okay, or if you have the coffee grain, you can just blend it and then you make use of it. Okay, so I'm actually going to be putting just a little of this. And then after putting that, then you have to dry stir it. Okay, so that when you want to put in your liquid ingredient, it's just going to mix very fast. Okay guys, so this is a wonderful ingredient, and this is lemon. Now lemon is citric in nature, and it contains a whole lot of vitamin C, which helps the skin glow. since I have half cut of lemon, I'm gonna be using that instead. Now lemon helps so much to remove dark patches, it helps to remove pigmentations, and it will help in removing those annoying dark knee, dark elbow, and dark knuckles that is actually embarrassing you. Now for you to know that this is actually very effective, you're going to see some bubbles. That's what happens when lemon meets with baking soda. It bubbles up. Okay. And after mixing and putting the lemon, then you stir really well, just like this. Okay guys, so now your ingredients is ready and this is what you have. Okay, as it is still bubbling, what you're going to do is that you're going to grab your ingredients, and then if you have dark knuckles, you are going to be applying this onto your dark knuckles. For your elbow, you are going to be applying this onto your elbow. Okay, well for me, I actually do not have much of problem skin because I literally just take care of my skin very well, you know, with all of these natural ingredients that I actually show you. That is basically what I use. Okay, so you don't be like, what are you using? This is basically what I'm actually using. Okay, so for your dark knee also, you grab this ingredient. Now you're going to notice that there are going to be some sugar particles in it. That is actually better because the sugar particles is going to help you scrub your knee and your elbow and your knuckles. So I'm actually going to be scrubbing my elbow and my knuckles, but you can actually use this in scrubbing your knee and your elbow. And your dark knuckles will be gone. So guys, now as much as you don't neglect this, this is actually going to work really well because it helps in removing some of those dark some of those dead skin cells, you know, which actually make your skin look darker, you know. But of course, if you're actually using some bleaching cream, you'll have to think twice, because when you use bleaching cream and then you use this, it's actually not going to work really much like that, because the bleaching cream is going to be preventing it from working really well. Okay, so you have to think twice again, and then you don't have to come and be like, oh, I tried it and it didn't work, and you're still using some bleaching cream that is actually even making your skin darker than it was. Okay, you know, some bleaching cream actually makes the skin really dark than it was, especially when you actually stop using it. So if you're actually using those kind of bleaching cream, okay, you have to discontinue and get a very good lightening cream to use. Okay, that is actually not going to make your knuckles go dark or your elbow go dark, and your knee equally. Okay, so you can equally use this on your palm, and it's going to help soften up your palm. Now after you scrub out all of those places, then you would go wash it out. Now you can actually repeat this treatment every day on those affected areas where you likely have those dark knuckles and dark knee. Okay, so repeat this treatment every day on those places. Now with constant application is going to help so much in removing all of the darkness around there. So go try it, and good luck. It works on good luck. I hope it works on your skin, because it is working on my skin. Okay, so that's it, guys. I actually scrub my elbow and my knuckles, but I scrub my knee, you know, behind the camera. So you can actually use it to scrub your knee and stuff, and you know, be consistent, just like I said, and it's going to work. Those natural remedies are not miracle. That's something that when you're consistent in it, it's just going to, you know, make you look flawless and beautiful. Okay, so that's it. If you do enjoy watching this video, please do not forget to give me a smash like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video, and I'll see you again. Bye guys.